is a 100% bone stock show coming up that I think this car would be fantastic for. I can chain the motor mounts down because tech doesn't really know what they're doing, because I will probably be half the tech. Will she start today? Okay, I like this car. You know what? I never really liked these cars on the road. I never really drove one on the road, but we're just gonna touch this little button right here. It's gonna take off that button right there. See if I can hold it, maybe it does something. See that button? Now I did get a flat tire yesterday. But I just want you to hear something. Have you guys heard these 5.7s in these things? Oh, buddy. Oh, I think I just blew a brake line. Definitely just blew a brake line. Buddy, this thing is crazy. The power out of this 5.7 inside this thing. I don't even know how to open the hood. There's the trunk. We'll need to do that. There's the hood. I think this thing's gonna be crazy. It's gonna have so much power, I'm just gonna destroy it so easily. Now I do know that there's a lot of problems with these cars. The front suspension is a problem, the rear suspension is a problem, the motor mounts are a problem, the electrical system's a problem. I don't care, I wanna have fun. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna quickly strip this car now, and we're gonna start getting it ready for the Derby. I am super excited. We've got a lot of work done to this car. We got it completely stripped. I haven't started moving any of the electrical, but honestly guys, the electrical looks super easy. All the electrical to the back is in this nice track, and then the positive cable is nice and thick, so we will be saving that for next year's Derby cars as well. And the only ones that goes underneath is these ones, so it might get pinched there, but it does have a couple little extra sheathings on it. So we're going to put the battery right around here, and we're going to be putting the gas tank right around there. But there is some major defects on this thing that I have found. And I really don't want to run this car, but I know you guys want to see me build it and run it, so I'm going to be open and honest with you guys. This thing's going to lose, and it's going to lose really, really bad. It is so bad, I'm actually probably going to go buy some parts just to make it last a little longer. The U-joint, it's a rag joint on this thing, on the drive shaft, is gone, like absolutely disappeared. I'm going to look at the price of it on Rock Auto and maybe replace it. I've got rid of all the rear brakes on the back, and I'm running 15-inch tires on the back of this thing. I do want to weld the diff, and we're going to do that. But you guys see all the rust on this ground? Oh, this is another thing. Look at that subframe in this thing. Oh my goodness, it is so rotted. Oh, there's not much we can do though. And we haven't even got into some of the defects on this thing, like the fact that there's no brake lines on this thing anymore, and the factory brake lines run across the front of the rad support, so that's really not a good thing. The fact that the front suspension design is super weak. The fact that the rear spindles are aluminum. I do not think these cars are great to build, but maybe with like more of a mod class where you can like bolt in a cradle in the front end, maybe you'd get a lot better in the front. And if you could put a solid axle in the back of it, maybe it would get a lot better in the back. But this thing here is going to be stock class. This is not a mod class. So thanks guys for watching. We're going to continue building this car, but my hopes for this thing is sitting on a solid 0, maybe a 1. But I know that you guys want to see me do different things, and this year here has been the year of different cars. I think I've done, what, 2 Toyota Camrys, but I've built like 4 cars that are not Toyotas. So stick with us guys. We're going to build this one. It's going to be a very quick, very simple build. And yeah, thanks for watching guys.